And because we have such an amazing thing going on with these PDFs, I created for you guys this shoot is gonna be the pre-production checklist. And this time I'm gonna start with the quote that I left for you. A goal without a plan is just a wish, right? If we have a wish to create an amazing video, an amazing film, without a plan to do it, it's simply just a wish. So let's get into this. Concept development, right? We went over this a little bit. Creating a concise direction, vision, and goal for the project, the purpose, the audience, brainstorming the ideas, choosing an idea, defining the look and the feel of the film. You guys need to do this in depth and check every box off this checklist so that your video is going to be incredible. Number 2, creating a story and a shot list. I'm gonna go into much more detail about this for you guys, but basically it's defining the story and the shots that are gonna make up the film, creating the script, the characters, and the storyboard. The number 3 step is creating scheduling and logistics, right? How are we gonna do all of the more practical elements of the film? We talked about the creative elements, which we'll go into more detail, but there's also the other side, which is the logistical elements. Creating a budget, scouting a location, gathering the proper equipment, choosing a crew. You need to figure this stuff out just as much as you need to figure out the creative elements. And finally, finalizing the details, right? Wrapping up the final elements before we go into production. Not on the day of, not while you're shooting, before. So to recap, this pre-production checklist is going to help your shoot be the